Well, good morning, my self-reliant peeps. Today, we're going to finish the front landscaping here. Uh, and I don't know. I sort of go with the wind, whatever I feel like doing. But I know I'm going to start this and finish this project. Okay, I see an end in sight. And once again, I have to go slow because somewhere is the line. Now, I know there's conduit, but if I go back too far into the grass or too far into the landscaping, I'm going to hit the wire. Okay, I found the wire, and the invisible fence box is going off like crazy, so I know I hit it. Here's where I went through. I'll have to find the other end. Okay, here's where it crosses over to go across the driveway. Used to be conduit. However, I can remember that years ago I got tired of taking care of such a big piece of landscaping that I seeded. I brought the landscaping in, so the conduit is probably closer to the driveway up here, because it was a big landscaping project. And as I got older, I changed it. Okay. Now I'm going to use my little needle nose pliers to go around the wire gently so that I don't cut it. I'll stick that in there first. I'm not going to have enough wire. I'm going to have to bridge it with another piece of wire. It's too short. Nothing's easy. All right. There we go. All right, that end's ready. All right, I got two ends. Now I'll go get a little piece of wire. Okay, I got it threaded through. And you can hear that it went off, the alarm. So I know that there's no more breaks. And I pulled it off, so there goes my connection. It's back on. Now I'll just bring this wire down. I know you can't see because my hands are in the way. All right, there we go. And there's my connection. And now I'll just clamp this. So that I can get my shrinky tape around it and it won't pull apart. And what I'm doing now is just pulling this so that I have enough of this shrinky tape that I'll get so water won't get in there. Even though this isn't really electricity, still I don't want it to corrode. And now what you do, you shrink it by fire. And there we are. Use a little more. Okay, now just come like this. Oh, a little warm. Twist that around. And I'll leave it like that. About 2 inches from where I'm going to and I'm going to leave this uncovered so that I can see it next time I edge. And there we go, completed. Now that invisible fence is fixed, we can continue with our original job. I don't need to worry about where the wire is. I found it. Other than that. The edging is done. Well, thanks for watching, my self-reliant peeps. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.